regarding this case, like obviously we want freedom from all this harassment that we have already faced. Full and final full stop to everything, and the offending officials should be, the offending people should be made to pay the consequences of what they do. हो रहा है उसमें कोई भी फाउंडिंग एविडेंशियल बेसिस नहीं है, and this is very disturbing, thoroughly disturbing, very shameful. I think these people have no fruitful job in their life, and they are so frustrated with their lives that they are venting out their frustration through falsely indulging in harassing me online. These people that are trolling, ये लोग इतने दुखी हैं अपनी लाइफ से, और they are so misogynistic, they hate women. These are the kind of people that abuse, harm, attack, and commit other offenses against women. So ये immediately muzzle होने चाहिए, और मैंने already मेरे advocate Mr. Nara Srinivas Rao के थ्रू लीगल नोटिस भेजी हुई है साक्षी मीडिया और विद्यासागर और जो भी मीडिया आउटलेट्स हैं YSRCP के, जो ये सब में इंडल्ज हो रहे हैं, और I will take very stern criminal action against all of this. Just stop all this harassment. I'm very, very grateful to the media for their responsible journalism. All the media that leaked out this truth, that was very vital. And the people of Andhra Pradesh who chose Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, the current Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Honorable Chandrababu Naidu sir, who elected into power and gave him the reins of the state. He was elected with a sweeping majority. His able governance and people under him, his able men to form the onus to serve justice to a woman and her old parents who have been wrongfully and illegally harassed. So that was a very local initiative that these responsible men took up. I'm very sorry to see, very pained to see, this being used as a political weapon against them. Somebody that's just trying to serve justice to an innocent woman and her elderly parents. They are being targeted, politically, using the same against them. It's very, very shameful. A shameful hit job was unfortunately performed by this Vidyasagar in coalition with certain high-ranking IPS officials. A very shameful hit job which should not have happened, and it should never happen with anybody. The current government under Chandrababu Naidu sir, they are just trying to serve as justice. My urge, my pleading to all the political parties, issue of women and old people's safety. We are the vulnerable section of the society. Their safety should be a matter of priority for all the political parties, and it's very shameful to support somebody that has harassed an innocent woman so wrongly. It's very shameful. And certain 60-70-year-old men who have, I'm sorry to say, but one foot in the grave, who have never known me, they are character assassinating me all over media. I'm very sorry to say, but these are the men who want to take advantage of women, who have been rejected so badly by women that now they hate women. They have turned misogynist, and these are the men that unfortunately harm, abuse, rape, gang rape women. These are the men that do that, and I feel very sorry for their daughters, for their sisters, for their wives and their mothers. How do they put up with these men? Sakshi Media and YSRCP outlets that have been all over wrongfully character assassinating me without an iota of evidence. My advocate Mr. Srinivas Rao has already sent a legal notice to them, and very stringent. I'm going to take with them, with my advocate, very stringent criminal and legal action against them. So number 114/2012, 115/2012, 17 criminal cases pending in the court till 2014. In court of Calcutta, Visakhapatnam. In 2015, this man Kukula Venkata Vidyasagar had cheated MS Messrs Simplex of to the tune of almost 10 crores, and a non-bailable warrant number 255/2015 was pending against the Magistrate Court Hyderabad. The complainant Mr. Anand Bakki on behalf of Mr. Simplex, and this man was arrested by the Hyderabad police absconding since 2014, arrested in 2017. So 18 criminal cases are shown you till 2015, and allegations against me. Telugu film actress Kadambari Jiswani and Malav Dani are now a couple. Social media ? So on the basis of rumors on social media, these people are going all out, harassing me, character assassinating me, that this woman knows industrialists. Okay, why are you jealous? You know, there was no criminal complaint ever against Malav Dani, or Malav Dani never filed a criminal complaint against me. This poor little 46-year-old baby that claims to be blackmailed by me, Vidyasagar, come to Hyderabad. Kids, let me know when you are going to Kashi. I'll inform them of darshan. So he takes my Aadhaar card, then he poses them and puts it all over social media. And this is my last text to him: go die in the underworld where you originate from. I knew he is from the underworld. And this device auto-destruct value-sucking bots. These are evidence, sheer evidence. He has a collage of all my pictures from 2009 sending me in 2020. All my pictures. I don't have so many pictures of mine. So either this man is maliciously, compulsively obsessed with me, or wants to murder me and my family. You are to decide. But no way is this 46-year-old baby with 18 and more criminal